Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a file using the Backup software. In an earlier video I showed you how to back up this file, test.txt, to the Backup servers. We are now going to accidentally, of course, delete this file and restore it from the Backup servers. To do so, we bring up the Backup software by right-clicking our icon, Backup icon, and selecting Backup Explorer. We now click on Restore Details. We click Refresh to ensure we have the latest version of the tables. And we now go to our desktop. In your case, on your screens, you will see desktop here. In my case, I have to just go into Document Settings, JGalvin, and Desktop. You see the center panel appears and it tells us that there's a problem. It gives us a warning. Files below are missing from this folder but have a backup. As we can see, test.txt has a warning symbol next to it, which means that the file is missing or is corrupt or there's something wrong with it. On the right hand side, it shows us all the file versions of this test file held on the Backup servers. As we can see in this case, we have two versions of it. One version is at 3 minutes to 6 and the second version was backed up at 6 minutes past 6. To restore it, we put a tick next to the version we want to back up and we click Save. You must click Save as you can select more than one file to restore at a time. We now click Restore Now and a question mark appears asking me, do I want to overwrite the existing file? Do I want to create a backup of the existing file before overwriting, or restore to a different folder? In our case, we know the file's been deleted, so we're just going to say overwrite file to speed things up. Click Restore Now and click Running Procedures tab and we can see it restoring. Enter the BKE server, log in, receiving file, and now we have Restore Complete. If I minimize this screen, there's a text.txt back up again, and just like in the previous video, we have that gibberish we typed in. It's still there. Now if I go back to the Backup go back to Restore Details and this time click Refresh and go back into my desktop, you now see the warning has disappeared and it shows the test.txt file has been restored. That's how you restore a file using the Backup software.